Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Big Mike's Senior Adventures. Well, today I wanted to share some information with you. I've seen, wherever I've traveled, it seems like you always get tired of local food after a while, and you want to get out and try to have some good home cooking wherever you're from, North America, Europe, wherever it may be. While in Pattaya, I was able to find several, and I will save some names of some locations you can go shopping at the end of the video. But I found this place's Friendship Market. I found it phenomenal. I mean, it has more stuff in it than most stores I've seen in North America. As you can see up and down the aisles, it's got everything. I mean, it has American products, European products, German, cuts of meat I've never seen before, to be honest with you. So it was just amazing the variety they had, and I could spend all day there shopping and still not see everything that I wanted to get. It is definitely my go-to place in Pattaya or in Jomtien area for shopping and getting what I need. Because like I said, quite frankly, you get tired of going to the restaurant, you get tired of eating Thai food, and you want some variety and some things from your homeland. This is a great spot to get it. Even though at the end of the video I'll be sharing some other locations, but I found this is a single best go-to spot to get your stuff. I would go here about once every 2 weeks, load up a couple of big bags and take them back to the condo. It makes for a good day. Now when it comes to their produce section at the end of the video, I didn't video the produce section only because it wasn't that large, and I'm guessing probably because there is so much produce on the streets and the markets, not really cost effective for them to carry that type of products. However, as you can see here, they've got stuff that is phenomenal. And by the way, this is probably from Jomtien, probably only about a 10-minute ride on the bot taxi, so not a big deal. One thing I will caution you with is when you get up in there and you're coming back, you want to get off the bot taxi before it turns or goes straight, because you're going to have to make a turn down to the beach road if you're going back to Jomtien down the beach road area, which first time I didn't do it and took the long way around, but it was a good experience like always. To be honest with you, even on the bot taxis, I would get on them and just go and get lost for a day. Because even though you're getting lost, you're not getting into bad areas. So that's the best way to find a city and find those out of the way things. So, and the people there are very helpful. So they're going to give you direction. And of course, now we do have, Google Maps. So that always helps out. And I apologize on this video. I got so excited, I guess some of the videos were done horizontally, some were done vertically. I was able to bring them back and so that they're vertical so you can see them and you don't have to cock your head to one side to watch them. I'll be honest with you, walking around this store I was just gaining weight just looking at some of the products. Amazing. And the thing about these videos, because of the aisles are so narrow, if you'll notice on the top rows, I really didn't get a chance to shoot the top rows. I'm really catching only the mid rows. I would say the top maybe 4 or 5 shelves there, but there's several more shelves of products above where I'm shooting. But it was just the width of them, I could only really get to shoot the mid-range. I guess the whole idea really in the video is, you know, to give you at least one spot in town that you can go to get your products. And by the way, this coffee grinder here, I assumed the bags on the bottom were already ground and that I could just grab a couple bags and take them back, which I did. Got them back, went to make my coffee the next morning and realized they were coffee beans in the bags. They weren't ground yet. So I ended up without coffee that day, went back up, asked one of the guys to grind it for me. He was very nice about it. Ground up my coffee for me. I was back on my way. So just beware if you grab those, make sure that you're checking to make sure that they are ground and not just the beans. Not unless you have a coffee grinder at home. And if you want to impress any of the Thai girls over there, they got a great array of chocolate. Sure to impress every gal. Now upstairs here also, they do have other products upstairs. I didn't go upstairs, but they do housewares and even some office supplies upstairs from here. So it is a really one-stop shop. Yeah, let's go ahead and kick it up. I hope it didn't let y'all fall asleep with that music from the last soundtrack. So I'll go ahead and kick up the music a little bit for you. Pork floss. I didn't know pigs needed floss. Make sure if you're like me, bring your eyeglasses with you. I literally spent the whole day there just to do this video. But when I go there, I typically do spend at least a half a day just looking at all the products, because not all the products I'm familiar with. So I have to read it, make sure they have quality ingredients, of course, which most everything there did, and figure out how I'm going to prepare it. Or how my girl might prepare it. Yeah, I gotta say, even the meats there were incredible. If you don't like shopping for your meats at the open air markets, this is a great spot to do it. Everything's very sanitary, wrapped nicely. You know what? You don't see any flies in there like you may see at the open air markets. And as I said, I wanted to share with you some other spots that expats frequent, where you might be able to get, or where you will be able to get some of the, you know, the products you may like. I don't think the stores will be as good and as fair price as it is here, but something you might want to check out, something to do for the day. Food Mart, again, that was my go-to place before I found out about Friendship Market. But Big C Extra also is a nice place to go. Foodland, great spot. Friendship Market is the name of this one I'm at. And then of course you got Villa Market, Britishop, Siamburi's is really some of the ones. Now each of those you can go ahead and Google, and if you ask anybody, particularly expats, they're going to be able to tell you, you know, where they're located. But like I said, if you're looking for a spot that's really got an incredible array of products that you've been looking for, wanting, or desiring, this is your spot, Friendship Market, Pattaya. Hey folks, that wraps it up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would, please, you know the routine. Hit like, subscribe, share, and if you would, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are either way. I certainly appreciate it. Thank you.